Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel you will get many explanation on different subject. So today we will discuss on the basis of electronic configuration find the valency of element whose atomic number is 11, 13, 6 and also write the formula of their oxide. The first is element whose atomic number is 13. So first of all we make an electronic configuration. We make like this. For making electronic configuration we have to ensure that we have to place electrons in first orbit, second orbit and third orbit. So for how many electrons are there in first orbit, second orbit and third orbit, we have a formula that is 2n square. N refers to the number of electrons in the first, second and third orbit. So in first orbit we simply write 1, 2 into 1 square, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So in first orbit 2 electron can exist. Now second orbit, so in second orbit 8 electrons can exist and third orbit 18 electrons can exist. So place the 2 electrons in first orbit, 8 electrons in second orbit and 2 plus 8 10 and only 3 left. So place 3 electrons in third orbit. Now valency is equal to number of electrons in last orbit. So valency is equal to 3. Now valency of element, that element whose atomic number is 13 is 3. So we have to write the formula of oxide. So who is the element whose atomic number is 13? So that it is aluminium. So the valency of aluminium we concluded that is 3 and oxygen 2. We have to write the formula of oxide, so we have to also write the valency of oxygen. So we cross multiply, we get Al2O3 is the formula of aluminum oxide. Now next that is whose atomic number is 6. Whose atomic number is 6, we have to make electronic configuration like this. We have in first orbit 2 electrons can exist. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, so we 4 electrons placed on the second orbit. Now valence is equal to 4 because in last orbit there is 4 electrons. Now what is the formula of its oxide? So carbon is an element whose atomic number is 6. So valency of C carbon is 6 and we have to write the formula of oxide. So oxygen valency is 2. Valency of carbon is 4. We have also write this. I have written atomic number, but we have to write the valency of it. So we cross multiply, we get C2O4 is the formula of its oxide. Now next that is 13 we have done. So element whose atomic number is 11. So we have to draw electronic configuration. In first orbit there will be 2 electrons. In second orbit there will be 8 electrons. And in third orbit there will be 1 electrons, because 8 to 10 and plus 1 11. So valency is equal to 1, because in last orbit there is 1 electron. So we have to write its oxide. So sodium is an element whose atomic number is 11. So valency of it is 1 and valency of oxygen is 2. We cross multiply, we concluded Na2 plus O, that is oxide. So